What if your life has been guided by a glitchy autopilot you never consciously chose? Welcome to Mellow Junction. This is 15 minutes of switching off mental autopilot. Close your eyes, feel your body's weight. Notice the familiar pull of your usual habits, checking, worrying, repeating. Underneath it all, imagine a low, steady hum, like engines mid-flight. With your next inhale, see yourself in the cockpit of a plane, wide windows, panels full of lights. Outside, clouds slide past. On a screen, the route is already set. Same old destinations: worry, self, attack, numb, out. You're in the pilot's seat, but your hands rest in your lap. The plane flies itself, and you've been calling this just how I am. You turn to a glowing panel. Autopilot on. This is your mind's default program habits, fears, reflexes, It's not personal, just old code. See a few quick flashes, reacting before you think, reaching for your phone without meaning to, saying the same harsh sentence to yourself again. That's this system. It's been trying to keep you safe with outdated maps. Instead of ripping the autopilot off, you place your hands on the controls. Feel the weight, the texture under your fingers. As you inhale, bring your attention into your body, chest, belly, legs. That sensation is you taking over. The plane still follows its old line for now, but something subtle shifts. Someone is awake in the cockpit. On the navigation screen, above the usual destination, a small prompt appears. You choose a new heading with a single word: rest, focus, kindness, curiosity, whatever feels honest right now. On each inhale, You repeat that word silently. On each exhale, the plane tilts by one invisible degree. You don't force your emotions to match. You just keep feeding the system the direction you actually want. Your hand moves to the autopilot switch. On an exhale, you flip it gently to off. The sound of the engines grows more vivid. The controls feel more alive in your hands. You might sense a quick fear. If I don't run my usual patterns, what happens? Let that thought drift by like a small cloud. Manual flight now means 3 simple things: feeling your body, repeating your word, and not automatically obeying every urge that pops up. After a few breaths, you notice the plane is still in the air. The world hasn't collapsed. It just feels more real. On the panel, A small line appears. Save new route? Yes. Divided by no. On your next inhale, choose yes. The system starts rewriting itself quietly. You then switch autopilot on again, knowing it'll still glitch and send you back sometimes. But you felt your hands on the controls now. Take one last long breath out and let this sink in. You are not your default settings. You are the one who decides which routes get saved,